For this science activity, you're going to use what you know about the parts of the plant to fill in the blanks. So number 1, blank hold plants in the soil. So use the plant picture resources that have the words to help you figure out which part of the plant holds it in the soil. Number 2, blank help hold up the plant. Number 3, blank make the food for the rest of the plant. Number 4, blank make new seeds. And 5, new plants start from a blank. Use your resource to spell the words correctly, as well as what you learned from the Brain Pop video to help you fill in the blanks.